This next segment, we'll talk all about using flower bulbs as houseplants. And it's really quite simple. It's really easy to force flower bulbs to bloom inside. And you don't have to do it just in the winter time. I found there's a lot of plants that you can dig up out of your garden and put inside and they'll bloom. This daffodil is really easy to force inside. I just have a rose vase, filled it with marbles and some water, and I'm just setting the bulb on top. And I'm making sure that the roots are wet and the very bottom of the bulb is wet, but the rest of the bulb is dry. And it's easy to look and see when I need to water it. It's right on my windowsill by my kitchen. So whenever the water level goes down a bit, I just add a little bit of water. And it's going to come up and grow and bloom in 4 to 6 weeks. And it's just a beautiful thing to do. There are so many ways that you can grow bulbs inside. And this is really a simple way. It's just a little child's toy. Actually, they were cups that stick together. I've added some Legos to them. And I've stuck an iris reticulata bulb into the container. And it's grown and bloomed like in 3 weeks inside the house because it's an early spring bloomer. So it's just a really easy way to grow bulbs indoors. There are a lot of unusual bulbs that you can grow inside as well. This is called cilla peruviana or Cuban lily. And it grows big blue flowers that look like an agapanthus or lily of the Nile or allium. And generally outside it blooms in April, May. But I planted it inside in a container just in regular soil, and I'm putting it in my living room underneath a lamp, and it's grown a lot in a little period of time, and I'm sure I'll get blooms inside before April. It's just another easy way to grow bulbs inside. Flower bulbs make great house plants, and there's so much you can experiment with, and it's just a very exciting thing to do. But bulbs aren't the only plants that make great house plants. In the next segment, we'll talk about unique plants as houseplants.